Snowboarding in the Rockies is one of the most breathtaking and soul-stirring experiences that the natural world has to offer, and if you have ever dreamed of carving through fresh powder on a mountain that seems to touch the very sky, then the Rocky Mountains of the United States of America are calling your name. Stretching across several states including Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, and Idaho, the Rockies form one of the most spectacular mountain ranges on Earth. And when winter arrives and the snow begins to fall, these mountains transform into a paradise that every snowboarder, whether beginner or seasoned expert, must experience at least once in their lifetime. The combination of the towering peaks, the crisp cold air, the endless blue skies, and the deep white snow creates a setting so magnificent that words can barely do it justice, and yet here we are, about to take you on a journey through this winter wonderland that will leave you reaching for your snowboard and booking the next flight out. The Rocky Mountains receive some of the best snowfall in the entire world, and this is not a claim made lightly. The snow that falls here is often referred to as champagne powder, a term that describes the incredibly light, dry, and fluffy texture of the snow that results from the unique combination of altitude and climate in this region. When you ride through champagne powder, it feels as though you are floating, as though the mountain itself is lifting you up and carrying you forward, and there is simply nothing else like it anywhere on the planet. The resorts scattered across the Rockies have been built to take full advantage of this remarkable natural gift, and they offer terrain that suits every level of rider, from the gentle beginner slopes that ease you into the sport with patience and grace, to the wild and untamed expert runs that will push every boundary you thought you had and leave you breathless with exhilaration. Colorado alone is home to some of the most famous ski and snowboard resorts in the world. Vail, Breckenridge, Aspen, Telluride, and Steamboat Springs are names that echo through the snowboarding community like legends, and each one offers a unique character and personality that makes it worth visiting on its own terms. Breckenridge sits at over 9,000 feet above sea level and offers over 187 trails, meaning you could ride for days and still find new lines and new adventures waiting for you around every corner. Vail is home to the Back Bowls, a series of vast open snowfields that stretch across nearly 4,000 acres and offer some of the most exhilarating freeride terrain in the entire country, where you can drop into a bowl of untracked powder and feel like the very first person who ever rode that mountain. Telluride, nestled in a stunning box canyon in the San Juan Mountains, offers a more intimate and authentic experience, with a charming old mining town at its base that gives the whole trip a sense of history and romance that you will not find anywhere else. Utah is another state that commands serious respect in the snowboarding world, and Salt Lake City has long served as a gateway to some of the finest resorts on Earth. Park City, Snowbird, Alta, and Deer Valley are all within an hour of the airport, making Utah one of the most accessible and rewarding snowboard destinations in the country. Snowbird in particular is legendary for its steep and deep terrain, with runs that drop sharply down the Wasatch Mountains and reward skilled riders with the kind of rush that gets into your blood and never really leaves. The state proudly claims the title of the greatest snow on Earth, and having experienced it, it is very difficult to argue against that bold declaration. Wyoming brings its own kind of magic to the Rockies snowboarding experience, and Jackson Hole Mountain Resort stands as one of the most iconic and thrilling destinations in all of American snowboarding. With a vertical drop of over 4,000 feet, Jackson Hole is not for the faint of heart, but for those who are ready to rise to the challenge. It offers a raw and powerful riding experience that feels like nothing so much as genuine mountain adventure. The views from the top of Rendezvous Mountain alone are worth the journey, with the Teton Range spreading out before you in all its jagged and snow-covered glory, a sight so beautiful and so vast that it makes you feel simultaneously tiny and completely alive. Beyond the resorts themselves, the Rockies offer extraordinary opportunities for backcountry snowboarding, where riders venture off the groomed trails and into the untouched wilderness of the mountains. Guided backcountry tours are available throughout the region and allow riders to access terrain that most people never see, riding through forests of snow-laden pines, dropping into hidden valleys, and crossing open ridgelines with views that stretch for hundreds of miles in every direction. Cat skiing and heli skiing are also popular in certain areas, offering the ultimate access to remote and pristine terrain that no lift could ever reach, and delivering the kind of powder riding that feels almost too good to be real. The culture that surrounds snowboarding in the Rockies is as vibrant and welcoming as the mountains themselves. The resort towns that dot the region are full of life, with excellent restaurants, lively bars, cozy lodges, and a spirit of adventure and community that draws people back year after year. After a long day on the mountain, there is nothing quite like settling into a warm restaurant with a hot meal and a cold drink, surrounded by other riders sharing stories of their runs and planning their adventures for the next day. The towns of Breckenridge, Aspen, Jackson, and Park City all have their own distinct personalities and offer a richness of experience both on and off the mountain that makes a snowboarding trip to the Rockies about so much more than just riding. For those who have never snowboarded before, the Rockies are also a wonderful place to learn. Every major resort offers professional lessons from certified instructors who are passionate about the sport and skilled at helping newcomers find their feet and their confidence on the board. Within just a day or two of instruction, most beginners are making their way down gentle slopes with a smile on their face and a fire in their heart that will stay with them for the rest of their lives. The mountains are patient teachers, and the Rockies in particular seem to have a way of pulling the best out of every rider who sets foot on them. Snowboarding in the Rocky Mountains is not simply a sport or a holiday activity. It is an encounter with some of the most powerful and beautiful natural scenery on the face of the earth. It is the feeling of cold air on your face and warm sun on your back. It is the silence of a mountain morning broken only by the sound of your board cutting through fresh snow. It is the laughter of friends at the bottom of a run and the quiet awe of standing at a summit and looking out over a world made entirely of white and blue and gold. The Rockies are waiting for you, the snow is deep, the trails are wide open, and the adventure of a lifetime is just one decision away. Come and ride these mountains, and discover for yourself why snowboarding in the Rockies is one of the greatest experiences that life has to offer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.